Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate items in dead rails. This powerful glitch allows you to multiply many in-game resources, giving you a significant advantage. We will cover the steps to set up the duplication, perform the key welding trick, and then generate an endless supply of items. This method is straightforward and can be applied to various starter class items, making your gameplay much easier. To begin, you need to select any class that starts with an item crate. Once you have your crate, the first crucial step is to weld it directly onto your train. This action locks the crate in place, which is essential for the glitch to work correctly. Make sure it is firmly attached. A secure weld is key to preventing any issues later in the process. Now for the core of the duplication. Take an item like an ammo pack or a shovel and place it directly on top of your welded class crate. Next, weld this second item to the crate, and then immediately unweld it. This quick weld and unweld sequence is what triggers the glitch, preparing your crate to endlessly drop its contents without disappearing. With the setup complete, simply open the crate. You will receive the items, but the crate itself will remain, ready for more. To continue duplicating, re-weld the crate, either back to the train or even to thin air, then open it again. You can repeat this process as many times as you desire, generating an endless supply of resources like ammunition, coal, or even horses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.